Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Aditi and it's so nice to meet you. As you have already read the title, you know what this video is going to be about and I'm really excited for it. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Okay, so today we are going to review all these books and these are all the thriller books that I have read so far. I have read other books too, but I do not have, physical copy. First, we are going to review Killjoy. Okay, so this is by Holly Jackson, and this is the sequel of Good Girl Guide to Murder. Our series adaptations we have chal raha hai, and season 2 is out there. Go watch it right now. I'll give it a 2.5, like out of 5. I mean, this is not as interesting, and you can skip it if you want. It's not mandatory to read this book for the series. There's not much to say about it, spoiler alert. So yeah, Pip was invited to a party where she played a murder mystery game and she got the idea basically of solving a murder mystery. This is not so much interesting and we are not going to talk about it a lot. There comes this. I mean, you cannot miss this. This book is worth all hype. Okay, so in those books, there's a high school girl, Pip, and she discovers the mystery of Andy Bell, who was killed by his boyfriend Seth. Everyone believed it, but Pip has this curiosity where she digs deeper and deeper, and she will discover some truth you are not ready to hear. Okay, I mean, you should definitely read this. I cannot emphasize कितनी अच्छी है series, and we cannot talk enough about it. So go and read this. And I don't want to give any spoilers, so I've already talked enough, and I'll give it a solid 4.8 out of 5 or maybe 5. Yeah, I love this. Okay, now this is also very popular book. Then She Was Gone by Alyssa Jewell, and oh my god, I was not ready for the emotional damage this book gave me. I mean, this is the book I cried. I literally cried a lot. Read it. It is a must read. It deserves all the hype. I mean, the gist is that there was this girl, Ellie, I guess. There was this girl, Ellie, who was a bright sunshine type of girl. But then she disappears one day and her mother cannot believe that her girl disappeared. She believed that no, her girl cannot disappear. So after 9 years, she met a man. I mean, her mother met a man, and his daughter looked exactly like Ellie. You should read this to find out what happens next because no, I'm not giving you any spoilers. Okay, you better read this. Please ignore my hair because बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल रही है and I do not want to miss this weather. Yeah, read this. But let me give you a spoiler. The emotional damage you'll get, you are not ready for that. So don't come at me. This is the next book we are going to be talking about. Lock Every Door by Riley Sager. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. I don't know. I don't know about this book. You know what? I was aware who was the antagonist in this book. I mean, I guessed it, and I did not believe that I guessed it right. I mean, yeah, you can read it. It is definitely not that much good of a book. I would say I will give it a 3.5 out of 5. There is this character, main character Jules Larson, who got an apartment in a very luxury society, but then in that apartment everyone keeps getting missing and you have to find out the secret. But I guess if you have read mostly many thrillers, you can guess the ending or you can predict who is the victim or who is the killer. You definitely can. I'm not going to talk about this anymore. Okay, here comes my favorite, Love Mom, and this is, and if you love Rita McFadden or this is like a fast-paced thriller, and if you love that, you are definitely going to love this book. I mean, I cannot emphasize more that everyone should read this book if you love thriller. In this, what happens? Lindsay Casper, yeah, she is the main protagonist, and her mother, who was a very famous, brilliant thriller author, dies tragically, and then she begins to receive letters, mysterious letters from signed like Love Mom, and that was an anonymous person who was sending it. She gets to know her family's secrets, very dark, twisted secrets, and then she got shocked after the whole truth. You will also get shocked definitely if you read the whole story. Letters were from her mom's diary, and yeah, you are definitely going to love it because I loved it, and you should trust me on this. I'll give it a solid 5 on 5. Must read. I freaking loved this book. I mean, this is the type of ending which I would want in every thriller, but it is not possible, and I know it. Now here comes the last book of this video, The Reappearance of Rachel Price by Holly Jackson again. I mean, this is okay. I got it. Kind of predicted the ending of this book. It is a good book, I must say, but not good as Good Girl Guide to Murder series. Okay, so in this book, Belle is the main character, and her mother 16 years ago disappeared, like suddenly. And now, when she starts filming a true crime documentary, her mother suddenly appears. Yeah, and you will get to know the truth of her mother's disappearance behind it and everything. You should definitely read it if you're a fan of Holly Jackson. Obviously, you have read it, right? I mean, go read it. It's great. It's addictive. It's enjoyable. Yeah, go read this now. This is a standalone book of Holly Jackson. Someone new to thriller, definitely pick this one for your first read, and you will also maybe be a fan of Holly Jackson or something. And yeah. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll bring a part 2 if you'll tell me you want more recommendations or more reviews on my books. And obviously these are not all that I have read so far. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel, or maybe you will not, I don't know. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.